How to fix Instagram comments not showing. If you are unable to see comments on Instagram, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily fix it. Just go ahead and open up Instagram and make sure that you are logged into your account. Tap on the comment icon below any one of the posts or reel and see if you're able to find the comments. If you don't see it, then it's most likely because of connection issues. So just go ahead and switch over to mobile data for a quick second, turn it off and go back to Wi-Fi. Doing this should reset your network settings. And once you have done that, you also need to check sometimes if the Instagram servers are down or not. You can use sites like Down Detector to figure out whether Instagram servers are down or not. Once you have done all of that, long press on your power button, restart your device, and you should be good to go. Now your comment should start working. Additionally, you can also try to clear cache for your app. Tap on the I button, then simply go ahead and go to storage, tap on clear data or clear cache, and you're good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. Okay, see you guys in the next one.